get a workout in the hotel gym. All right, so bang out 15. Yeah, do 15. Damn, them knuckles cracked.
Thankfully, I still be active with my shoulders.
Okay, hold on. Stay right there. I want you to do something. Lean your elbows right there, like that. There you go. Don't flare them out too much because you want to be closer.
Yeah.
It'll be easier. Instead of flaring them out, it makes it harder. That way you could injure yourself.
Oh, okay.
But if you bring it in a little bit,
Okay.
you still get the same stretch.
Sort of like the machines.
Yeah.
The machines have like that.
There you go. Your knuckle, that elbow is cracking, boy. Pop, lock, and drop it, yo. From the south. Yeah. From the deep south.
That's better than.
Yeah, I'll show you. I'm gonna do it now with the things, and then you'll see the difference, so that you could do it, all right? When you go back, you see how my arms are? Look at my elbows.
Yeah.
They're in. I'm like this. Flare them out a little bit. You're like this,
Yeah.
which is harder on your shoulders. So go like this, in, and then you just push up from there.
Okay.
Oh, that's the heaviest. They got 50, but I already did 4 sets.
Oh, you already did 4 sets?
Yeah, I did 4 sets of 50.
Okay, that's what I thought you meant like push-ups.
No, the push-ups is next. The push-ups is next.
Okay.
So do one more of 15, and then we'll do the push-ups.
Okay.
Right there, perfect.
Like that.
Yeah, and then what you want is your hands. You want to have your hands not like this, like that. There you go.
Okay, perfect.
You see that difference? You're
Yeah, I
you're
see.
controlling the weight better.
Better and it's easier.
Yeah.
I was nervous because like that what I was doing was harder, right?
Okay, let's bang out the push-ups. How many you do?
Huh?
How many you do? Or you just did
No. What do you mean the push-ups?
yeah, how many you do?
You said we're gonna do 25.
Let's do 25.
Okay.
I'll go first, then you do your 25 since you just tested it.
All right.
So let me bang my 25 out. Oh. Yeah, 25. Bang out your 25.
Yeah.
$25? Yeah, I told you.
Yeah.
Because if you're not, especially if you're not used to it, it's hard to pull up.
Yeah.
There you go.
This is good.
And what you want to do is try to keep it close to you right there.
Yeah.
Boom, now pull up. Right there, perfect. Right there, perfect. So do 15 and then switch to the other side. 15 while I do the 25 push-ups.
All right. The other side, yeah?
Yeah. So try to do the same thing. Hold on.
Wait, is this side?
No, yeah, you're good. You're good.
Yeah.
And then try to keep it as close to you as possible. And then from there, come up. Perfect. Yeah, you want to be squeezing this. There you go. I got 5 more. Damn. All right. That's 75 total. All right. We just killed the gym workout. Sure. I didn't leave nothing. Let's get out of here. All right, just killed the gym workout, chest, tricep, shoulders. Let's go visit everybody at the pool. I didn't hear you what? What you guys doing?
Huh?
What you guys doing?
What is this? We're not offering free content.
Yeah, you are.
Charge.
Do you want that?